Community Digital Academy, in collaboration with PKJK, recently organized their inaugural 3D printing class. The class primarily welcomes secondary school students. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is the process of creating three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. Initially, a desired design is crafted using modeling software. This design is then input into the 3D printer, which proceeds to manufacture the final product. 3D printing empowers students to transform their imaginative ideas into reality while honing their entrepreneurial skills. This perfectly aligns with CDA's mission of educating and exposing the younger generation to the wonders of science and technology. If you're interested in collaborating with us, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.